Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Study. In this video, we are going to discuss about the easy scoring and confirm topic of computer science. It will be helpful for all the students, those who are preparing for computer science, UGC NET, GATE or any other competitive exam. That's why I am dividing this video in two parts. First part is common for all, that is maybe UGC NET, GATE or any other competitive exam, and next part is for only specific subject. There are some specific subject of UGC NET. For that specific subject, last part will be. So must watch the first part, and if you are for UGC NET, then definitely must watch both part. So please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification about your preparation of computer science. Now see, these are the topic. Here, first of all, as I told you, the easy and scoring topic of the computer science from where easily you can get the marks. First of all, first topic is the Boolean algebra and K-map. From the Boolean algebra, question are coming like simplification question. They are giving expression, from that they are asking what will be the simplification, and that K-map. And these two topic I am giving you mind mapping also, Boolean algebra and propositional logic. If you are learning together, that will be very much helpful for you, because ultimately they are related. Even also the propositional logic question you can solve by using Boolean algebra. Okay, yes, it is possible you can solve it using Boolean algebra, and even also K-map also you can apply for solving the propositional logic question. That's why if you are learning these two topics together, then definitely you can confirm question, maybe 3 to 5 question or more than 5 question also, because these two topic are covering, and these two topic are common for all the exam. Next one is set and relation. This is a very easy area from where question always are coming. Set theory, and plus there are different types of relation, symmetric, antisymmetric, asymmetric. This type of question are coming always. Graph theory. Next one is graph theory. So in the graph theory, there are so many easy area from where question are coming. And if you can relate the graph theory with the data structure, that will be more helpful, because there are some common area. Like in graph also there are trees, in data structure also there are trees. And in graph theory also we are doing the shortest path algorithm. In data structure also there are shortest path algorithm. Spanning tree, it is a part of graph theory also, it is a part of uh, data structure algorithm also. Means you can merge this topic together, so that you can collect the marks more in this area. Next one is from the computer organization. Maybe some students are thinking little bit difficult, so that's why from the computer organization I will suggest you, if you can do instruction format, addressing mode, this chapter also, and this is very easy chapter, then also you can get a confirm marks of this topic. So must do that. Next one, from the operating system, deadlock, CPU scheduling. Always question are coming from deadlock and CPU scheduling. Don't skip this topic. CPU scheduling, disk scheduling, deadlock, these are the very confirm area and comparatively easy area from where easily you can get the score. And next one is the cache mapping with the replacement algorithm. So cache mapping is a part what is there in the operating system also and in the computer organization also. That's why if you are merging this together and with the replacement algorithm, they are merging question also, then it is a confirm area from where you will get the question. Now come to the functional dependency. It is always in the functional dependency, DBMS, functional dependency, normalization, lossless lossy, minimum cover. These are the area from where always question are coming every exam, each and every exam. If you are preparing, always question are coming from here. So don't miss this topic. Next one is ER diagram. ER diagram, cardinality, like 1 to many, many to 1, this type of cardinality. And from the ER diagram, what is the minimum number of relation required? This type of question are coming. And whenever you are relation dependency, like there is two relation and there is some constraint, so if I am deleting this row, then what will be deleted? This type of question are coming. So definitely practice this question. Next one, from the data structure, stack, queue, trees. Always question are coming from this area, stack, queue and trees. And this is most easy area of the data structure. Must do that. All types of trees like binary search tree and binary heap is also there, B tree is also there, B plus tree is also there. Must do it. Next one is the TOC, theory of computation. So many students are thinking this is difficult, but I am telling this is very easy. And you can see my TOC playlist. They are in the TOC playlist. The grammar, machine, language, all are there. You can watch the recording and it will be very easy for you. There is a 15 minutes TOC, grammar, language and machine. I will provide the link also. So definitely watch that and it will be clear to you, and it is a confirmed topic. Always question are coming. Until now, whatever I have discussed, like from the DBMS, all the topics I have covered here in the DBMS. And here the graph theory also playlist is there in the graph theory. And Boolean algebra, K-map also something we have done, but still I will upload the more classes for this topic. Next one is the networking. In the networking, from the theoretical part, although most of the students are thinking it is difficult, but the theory is there. What is the theory? In the WSI and TCP IP layer, there are different responsibility of the different layer with the devices. Which device is using in which layer and what are the responsibility? These are total theory. If you can read this total theory with a chart, then confirm question you will get. Matching type question, statement type question are coming from here. Next one is IP address. So IP address range, class A, class B, class C, this type of range if you can remember, and what are the bits and all, then easily question you can get from here. And if you can cover the subnetting, then it is more advantage for you, because always question are coming from this area. So these are the all common topics of the computer science which are coming for all exam, GATE, UGC NET or any other competitive exam. Now I am coming to the next area, that is the topic for specifically UGC NET. Okay. So if you are preparing for UGC NET, then definitely watch that part. If you are not preparing for the UGC NET, just check that this subject are there on or not in your exam. What are the subject I am telling? Computer graphics, software engineering and artificial intelligence. These are the subjects that are not there in GATE, but it is there in UGC NET. So it is a very scoring area of UGC NET. So under computer graphics, the different types of transformation like scaling, rotation and reflection, from there always question are coming. Must do that topic. And I will upload the video for the computer graphics also. Next one is projection, parallel and perspective projection. This is a favorite area of computer graphics. Always question are coming from here. Must do this topic. Next one is computer graphics numerical. So if you can do this three topic of computer graphics, easily you can get 2 to 3 question from this area. So don't miss this topic. Next one is the software engineering. For the UGC NET, software engineering total 10 question are coming, means 20 marks is there for the software engineering. And it is the easiest area of the computer science for the UGC NET, from where student can score easily high marks. And mostly question are coming from the software designing, like coupling, cohesion. This is a favorite topic. Next one is the testing. Different types of testing are there. Theoretical question are also coming, and conceptual question with some numerical, like cyclomatic complexity and path testing, branch testing. This type of question are also coming. And next one is maintenance. There are 4 to 5 types of maintenance. What are the maintenance? Adaptive maintenance, perfective maintenance, and students are getting confused with this area. So that's why I will upload some short video about this topic, so that you can confirm your marks in this topic also. Next one is AI. In the AI, nowadays 8 to 10 questions are coming in UGC NET. So this is also a very important area. Although in AI nowadays genetic algorithm, neural network question are coming that are little bit difficult topic, but still I will cover that topic. But the easy area of AI, that is environment, different types of environment, different types of agent, and my playlist is also there for AI. Definitely go for that. I am giving the link in the top. So must complete this topic. Minimax game tree is a favorite topic of UGC NET. Must do it. Don't miss that. Next one is heuristic search. Different types of searching technique are there. A star algorithm, AO star algorithm, hill climbing algorithm. Always question are coming from here. And last one is the fuzzy set. Very easy area from where question always coming. Must complete this topic. So if you can cover all this topic before your exam, then easily you can score a good marks. These are the easy area. Only I am telling you the easy and scoring area from where always question are coming. So if you like this video, definitely like, share and subscribe to the channel, and please watch all the recording that in my playlist. So many playlists are there, so many classes are there. Must complete it, and whatever not there I will upload that. I am trying to upload it every day. And must follow me on Unacademy also, because I am taking class on Unacademy. Free classes is going on at 7:10 p.m. Must join it, and join our Telegram channel also, Unify Study Computer Science. I am giving the link in the description below. Must follow me so that you can crack it, and stay tuned with this channel for the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.